Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of train your brain focus up. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on focus up and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.